Well, hey wormies, it's Dee from Down the Wormhole, and it has been a long time and I have gained a lot of subscribers since I have shown these two. And this is Maxie. She just decided to come out and be an absolute sweetheart today. She wanted some love. So I have two cockatiels. This is Maxie. She is 19. The other one that I have is a male. He is Gabby. I bought him in Medicine Hat 20 years ago. So these guys definitely are a long-term pet for sure. Are they worth it? I think so. This one here is just an absolute suck. It was hand-fed, and they are very, very tame when they come like that. They normally do cost a little bit extra to have one that has been hand-fed, but they've just been taken away from their mom near the end and fed by a human, which makes them extremely cuddly, as you can see. The first one here's Gabby. He's coming out. He talks.
Say hello, Gabby. Hello. Hello, Gabby, Gabby, Gabby. Kiss, 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 kiss. Hello. Hello, Gabby, Gabby, Gabby. Pretty, pretty, pretty Gabby. Hello, Gabby, 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 Gabby. Pretty, pretty bird. Pretty, pretty bird.
So the female does talk as well, though I have not managed to catch her doing it on video. I swear she just tries to do that when we're not looking, and it took us a while to actually catch her talking. These guys have lived together forever. I have been looking after them for about 1.5 years now. They were originally my grandmother's birds. I think they bought them for breeding, but they don't lay any babies, but they will not be separated. If you try and take one more than 3 or 4 feet away from the other one, screaming, flying, and just absolute craziness commences. It is quite the bond that these guys will definitely gain. So they are a very enjoyable pet, and I do enjoy taking them out and spending some fun time with them. Thank you for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video. And yes, it does feel funny when she chews on your earring.